Ever heard of turning information into cold, hard cash? No, this isn't some clickbait get-rich-quick scheme. We're talking about the power of knowledge in the digital age, and specifically, how that knowledge can fuel your financial engine with a platform called Gemini. Now, Gemini might sound like a futuristic space station from a cheesy sci-fi movie, but it's actually a whole lot cooler and less prone to meteor showers. It's a platform that lets you leverage your brainpower to wait for it to make money. Intrigued? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini and showing you exactly how to transform your expertise into a steady income stream. First things first, let's clear the air. Gemini isn't some magic money machine. It's a platform that connects people who need specific information or skills with those who have them. You, the amazing viewer, could be that person with the valuable knowledge. Think about it. Are you a whiz at coding? Can you write website copy that converts like crazy? Do you have an encyclopedic knowledge of 16th century French poetry? Hey, no judgment here. Whatever your niche, there's probably someone out there willing to pay good money for your insights. Here's how Gemini works. Step 1. Sign up and shine. Getting started is as easy as, well, signing up. Head over to Gemini and create your account. The platform will ask you about your skills and experience. Be honest and detailed. The more specific you are, the better chance you have of attracting the right clients. Step 2. Become a master of your Gemini galaxy. Once you're in, it's time to personalize your profile. This is your chance to shine. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your expertise and showcases your past projects. Don't be afraid to add a touch of personality. After all, people connect with people, not robots. Step 3. Explore the Gemini marketplace. This is where the magic happens. Gemini has a vast marketplace teeming with projects and requests. Browse through the listings and see what catches your eye. Maybe a company needs help with data analysis, or perhaps a student requires tutoring in astrophysics. Remember that 16th century French poetry. Step 4. Make your pitch. Found a project that aligns perfectly with your skills? Fantastic. Now it's time to craft a winning proposal. Don't just say, "I can do this." Explain your approach, highlight your experience, and showcase your enthusiasm for the project. Remember, you're not just applying for a job, you're building a professional relationship. Step 5. Deliver stellar work. Congratulations, you landed the project. Now comes the fun part, putting your expertise to work. Remember, communication is key. Keep your client updated on progress and be open to feedback. Delivering high-quality work is the best way to build a strong reputation on Gemini and attract even more clients. Step 6. Get paid. Gemini handles all the payment processing securely. Once you complete the project and the client is happy, you'll receive your well-deserved earnings. Now, a few words of caution. Building a steady income stream on Gemini takes time and effort. Don't expect to become an overnight millionaire, although hey, if it happens, send us a pizza. Be patient, keep building your profile, and consistently deliver excellent work. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you'll attract more clients and potentially command higher rates. Remember, the key to success on Gemini is providing genuine value. Share your knowledge, solve problems, and help others achieve their goals. By doing so, you'll not only build a thriving online business, but you'll also establish yourself as a trusted expert in your field. So, are you ready to turn your knowledge into cash? Head over to Gemini and start your journey as a digital information guru. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your expertise into a powerful financial tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making that money with Gemini.